I've been using some method on Binance to make free money for myself for some months now, and I feel like, why keep it to myself? Let me just come here and share with you. So yeah, if you're ready, let's go straight into it. So the first thing that you need, obviously, you need a Binance account, and if you don't have one yet, go ahead and use the link in this video description and sign up and get $100 welcome bonus, right? So once you have your Binance accounts ready, you have verified it and you are ready, the next thing that you have to do is to get BNB in your account. Now, here is the whole thing. Let me break it down for you. BNB is a Binance coin, and you know Binance is an exchange platform that you can go buy and sell your cryptocurrency stuff over there. Now, what I do over there is I've bought some BNB and I kept it in my wallet. I didn't just keep it over there. What I did was that I kind of invested it. That give me a certain percentage on daily basis. Okay, that means I earn something out of it on daily basis. So the BNB that I bought, I kept it in a wallet over there. I use it for locked investment and BNB vault. So this BNB vault, what it does, and the lock investment, what happens is that whenever there is a launch pool, let's say a new cryptocurrency is about to be launched or listed on Binance gives me the opportunity to earn a free amount of that particular cryptocurrency that is about to be launched on the platform, and I don't have to invest anything to get that particular new coin that is being listed on Binance platform. All that I have done is to buy BNB, keep it in my wallet, and even invested some in BNB vault and this BNB locked investment. I think the locked investment, I've chosen 120 days. That means I've locked my coin for 120 days before I can do anything with it. And at the end of the day, I receive free cryptocurrencies whenever there is a launch pool ongoing. And this is it. I feel like sharing this with you. Hopefully you can do it and also get free cryptocurrencies out of it. And I hope this video is helpful and informative as well. So if you like a content like this, that's how to make money online and things about productivity, you're welcome to join the family. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. I'll see you in the next video. You're welcome.